With the growth of cloud-based services, businesses need to ensure their mission-critical applications are always available. Any loss of service has a direct impact on the bottom line, making business continuity planning a critical element for any organization. However, the costs and complexity of disaster recovery solutions have kept many organizations from deploying them. Druva's cloud disaster recovery solution allows organizations to increase cyber resilience, reducing cost and complexity. With Druva, you can easily meet compliance requirements with our simple and reliable failover for AWS cloud workloads. Enterprises need to be prepared for failures to their AWS cloud infrastructure due to user errors, malicious and insider threats, operational mishaps, or regional outages. Druva helps keep your organization's AWS data safe and easily recoverable from any region or account-specific outage in 3 key ways. 1. Cloning of AWS environments for disaster recovery. 2. One-click cloud disaster recovery for AWS. And 3. Automated disaster recovery plan testing. First, Druva enables the cloning of AWS environments for disaster recovery. This ensures that restored disaster recovery instances are in an identical environment despite being in a different AWS region or AWS account. Cloning the larger environment enables the recreation of results and data conditions, which could be lost otherwise. With one-click disaster recovery for AWS, your organization can reduce your RTO to minutes with the flexibility to recover Amazon EC2 and RDS resources across regions or accounts. This bolsters your business continuity, keeping processes up and running and minimizing downtime. Finally, with automated disaster recovery plan testing, Druva simplifies runbook execution. Simplified operations and unlimited testing ensures you're prepared for disaster recovery audits and up to date with the latest compliance requirements. With Druva, leverage the cloud and empower your business to protect its critical data from cyber threats and stay compliant, all without additional infrastructure or complexity. Visit the AWS backup page on Druva's website to learn more.